Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're doing a Dollar Tree time video, so just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so because I'm not doing Vlogmas this year, again, I know, won't. We just have a ton of stuff going on, so I thought it would be fun to at least still be festive and decorate my background for you guys. So I went to the Dollar Tree because I saw a ton of cute Christmas stuff the last time I was there, so I knew that they had put out even more. So in this little bag of goodies, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up to decorate my background. First thing is first, this is not to decorate my background. This is for me to rock in videos. My little snowman, super cute. The next item is actually a bundle of items, and I didn't realize this. I need to look at my receipt because I'm not sure if the clerk actually rang this up as different items. This is how I found it on the shelf, so I just picked it up. If she didn't ring it up, I'm gonna go back because I shop at that Dollar Tree a lot. But it's these super cute little trees. I would call them tinsel trees, I guess. Yeah, it doesn't say, but these are really cute. So I got two of the green. It's the same thing. And they're pretty decent size in my opinion. And I got one of the red. Again, pretty decent size. And one red and green. But again, you guys, I thought this was all one product, and I'm thinking from the way I was keeping track of stuff, I don't think she rang all those up, so I have an errand to run tomorrow. I will be going back in and paying for those. It's the right thing to do. Alright, so I also picked up some, is this tinsel? No, garland in gold, and it has like little stars on it. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is 20 feet. Not bad for $1. I know I have another one in here somewhere, just not sure where it's at. Then I saw this cute little thing here. It's just a piece of decor, and I don't know if this is plastic. I think it's plastic, but it's decorated on the outside and it says Merry Christmas. Super cute. And then we have this little guy here. I thought this was really pretty. It's just a red tree with some bling bling on it. And some of these little snowflakes with like rhinestones in them. And then it's decorated at the bottom. I got this one because I didn't realize that all those pieces were stuck together. So now I have all these little trees. Got a red garland, again 20 feet. And this also has stars on it. I also picked up, I love this. I'm such a big kid at heart, I really am. I got this little penguin. So cute. I also got, oh, this is one of my faves too. This little present box, and it says Merry Christmas all over it. So cute. They're ornaments, but because I'm not putting my tree up this year, just because Christmas is kind of with COVID and everything, I'm just going to set this stuff out. Super cute. What else? I also picked up another ornament, and it's just a big snowflake with some bling bling on it. Super cute. I'm going to hang those on my wall behind me. And I got another star. This one looks like it has little pearls on it, and it's silver glitter. So really pretty. These are not bad for $1, you guys. Not at all. I also picked up this glittery, I think it's a church, with some, what is this stuff called again? I forget. I'm sure Nick will put it on the screen. But again, you don't have to use these as ornaments. They're flat bottoms, so they can just sit. Then I got some bigger pieces, and I'm going to hang these on the wall as well. Here's my little Christmas tree. I know it's got something hanging from it right here. I'll just cut it off. But so cute. Y'all know I didn't stop there. So I had to have this one. First of all, my grandmother loves older stuff like this, and it just looks like a vintage, darn it, I knew I wouldn't remember the name of it. It looks like a vintage Airstream. That's what I'm thinking of. in my opinion. And Nick actually traveled a lot when he was younger, him and his parents still love to travel. So this just kind of reminded me of family. So I had to have this one. So cute. And it's got the little Christmas tree on the top. Look at the little wheel. And the trailer hitch. I love it. Love it, love it. So then I also found this large ornament. And it has a bow on it here. And again, these can just hang. I think these are supposed to maybe be wreaths. Wait. It just says Decor on it. But they're really pretty for $1. And I feel like if you take care of them, they'll last you. So I also got a snowman. You cannot do Christmas without a snowman. So here's this little guy. Super cute. And then, of course, you cannot do Christmas without candy canes. And this one in the snowman really reminded me of, and I wish I could put a picture up here, but I'll have to see if I can find one. When I was a little girl, my grandfather was very, very crafty, and he still is to this day. And I will never forget, my grandparents had one of the prettiest houses on the block. And my grandfather made this life-size, well, probably bigger, snowman and a Christmas tree. And they had these beautiful lights on them. And he made one that spelled out their name. And it was just so gorgeous. And they had this little candy cane thing that kind of looked like this. And so these pieces are kind of sentimental to me in a way. It just reminds me of being a kid, really. I think everything else in here is not Christmas, but that's okay. I'm still going to haul it for you. We have some beauty items. You guys know, if you've been with me, I'm a huge fan of these shadow switches. I'm completely out. I just opened my last one, so I got 3 of those. I'll be honest, I wanted to get more, but I thought I'd be nice and leave some for somebody else. You know. So then LA Colors also had some new lip products. This is the LA Colors Plump Gloss. It says it instantly plumps with a tingling sensation. If you guys have been with me, you know I love the Buxom lip glosses. Those are $21 a piece. I generally buy them on sale, but I found these and I thought it's worth a shot. So I have the shades Surge, which is a nude, and Call Me, which is a berry. And then I also found some lip stains that they have. They didn't have very many shades at mine, but I picked up the shade Queenship. Very pretty. Then I saw they had some John Frieda products. I love John Frieda. And this is called the John Frieda Wonder Drops Hair Mask. It is frizz smoothing with avocado oil, and it's just a cute little mask for your hair. They had 2 of them there, but that was the one that I thought would work better for my curls. And then I got another one of these beauty jars that come with 3 in a pack, and then they have like the little plastic lid, so if you put something in there that needs to be sealed, it's not going to dry out. And then this also comes with a spatula. I love these. I also picked up another hand sanitizer because, well, right now you can never have too many. You guys, no joke. I have these all over our car, all over my purse. I don't leave home without my hand sanitizer. And I love these because you can just clip these to your bag and then just refill the jar. And the last and final thing you cannot live without is measuring spoons. I love these. Now, we prefer to have like the stainless steel ones that are really, really nice. And one of these days, I will buy some. But right now, I love these. They work just fine. If you leave them clipped together, Nicholas, honey, darling, I'm talking to you. Alright guys, so the next thing that I picked up is what is in this picture here. It is actually in the freezer right now, so yeah. I picked up several of these. They're extra large size, and Nick really seems to enjoy them, you know, here and there and whatnot. And, you know, when your man tells you he's hungry and you know there's food in the fridge, but they don't feel like cooking and neither do you, there you go. Alright you guys, that is it for this quick Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I want to know down below, what items have you found Christmas decor wise at your Dollar Tree? Did you guys find any of the products that I hauled today? Have you tried out any of the new lip products that I hauled? I want to know. Let's chat about Dollar Tree down below. If you are fiending for some more Dollar Tree because this one was so short, definitely check out my playlist here to the side. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you as always for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. You guys mean the world to me. I love you to the moon and back. And stay safe out there. Bye, guys.